Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I'm 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in their Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, this is the July 2022 box. It weighs quite a bit. This is a $23 a month beauty subscription where you get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size, and the other products can be travel size or deluxe sample. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in the box. If anyone isn't familiar with what Allure is, they have a magazine, they have editors, and they do those fancy little stickers, and they give out awards on different products. All right, we do get a booklet. In here will be pricing for the full size of the item. We will keep that to the end. Let's grab the first item. All right. Oh, I have received this product in other boxes. This here is from Hero and is the Mighty Patch. This is great for if you have acne or a bump, something that you want to kind of hide, cover. It's a little, I don't want to say sticker, but it's an adhesive circle that will blend nicely with your skin tone. And if it's acne, you put it on at night. Usually I find it helps to dry down the acne. So the next day it can be covered with makeup a little better. All right, let's see if this is sample or full size. There are only 6 patches. I don't even want to speculate because sometimes that could be the full size. Oh, these are for acne. This says Micropoint for dark spots. Interesting. Hold on, let me read what the back says. Blemishes like to leave their mark. Brighten up ASAP. Oh, this has like ingredients. It has sodium hyaluronate, trellulose, glycerin, niacinamide, propanediol, blah, blah, blah. So I thought this was just to help with blemishes. No, this is to get rid of dark spots. That's cool and interesting. I guess this is full size, and it retails for $12.99. All right, next item. What do we have here? All right, so this is from ManiMe, and it's stick-on gels. We have received something similar in the Allure box before. I obviously don't do my nails, but if I did, this is more my vibe or closer. I used to get acrylic nails and I'd always get a French manicure. I believe this is going to be full size. Let me see what this retails for. Yes, this is full size and it retails for $15. All right, next item. Ooh, whatever it is heavy. This is very heavy and it is Nativa Spa Embrace Yourself. Still don't know what it is. Let me look at the card because it does come with plastic wrap, and if it's something I'm not going to use or enjoy, I will keep that on so I can pass it along. Okay, so this here is the Nativa Spa Starter Kit. It says each of these 4 rich body creams. Oh, okay, starter kit, so you get body creams. Leave skin feeling smooth, moisturized, and soft. Okay, I will use a body cream. Let's open this up and see what these look like. All right, so the kit includes 4 different sample sizes, but they're decent. They are 30 ml. This first one is quinoa, and then we have a shea butter, rosé with the hyphen. So I wonder if it's more wine. It's kind of wine colored, or if it's going to be the dreaded rose scent. And then the last one is Madagascar vanilla. That's the one calling my name to see what it smells like. Okay, it does come safety sealed. Oh, but I can smell it through the safety seal. That is going to be lovely. All right, that is a new, different, and interesting product. I am not even familiar with that brand. And the sample kit with the 4 30 ml body creams retails for $12. All right, next item. I can tell already from the cap. This is going to be from OFRA. Yes, this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is full price, and we have the shade Canyon. So the OFRA liquid lipstick retails for $20. It's, not gonna lie, I love OFRA products. This is a bit too dark for me, so I'm gonna set that aside for my 1K giveaway. Speaking of 1K giveaways, I am super close to 950, which is only 50 away from 1K. Durr, we all can do math, Julie. But if you're this far into the video, please leave a purple heart emoji so I can give you an extra entry into that giveaway. All right, next item. What do we have here? Has some weight to it. This is from PCA Skin, and it's the ReBalance Daily Moisturizer, and this is 48 grams or 1.7 fluid ounces. This is what it looks like. This is plastic. Not familiar with this brand. Really hard to open. Oh, it comes safety sealed here. I'm going to leave that on because if you watch me, thank you. If you don't, I would love if you would subscribe. I have a ton of moisturizers. That's obviously full price. Let me see what that retails for. Ooh, $53. All right. And the last item we have, ooh, I love this brand. This is Roche Posay. And this here is the Lipikar AP Plus Wash. So it's a dry to extra dry skin, body, and face wash. Okay. I have never tried a product like that from Roche Posay, so I'm excited. This was a decent box. Let me recap everything we got in the July 2022 Allure box. We got a stick-on nail kit from ManiMe, the Mighty Patch Micropoint for dark spots, a gentle foaming wash from Roche Posay, a 4-piece body lotion sample set from Nativa Spa, a moisturizer from PCA Skin, and a long-lasting liquid lipstick from OFRA. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, that was a pretty good box. Now, I don't do my nails, so that will be set aside. I'm intrigued about this product. Never heard of this brand, but hey, I have skin and use moisturizers. I love Roche Posay, and we'll give this face wash a try. I love the body lotion sample set because that way you can pick out which scent you prefer. And who doesn't love OFRA? I know some don't, but my only bummer is it is a little darker than I would normally wear. But it is makeup in an Allure box. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I wonder how this box is going to do. Actually, I already know it's worth at least over $75 because this is worth $20 and the moisturizer is, what they say, $53. So you definitely get your $23 worth, but I'm curious what you guys think of this box. Honestly, I think this is one of the most affordable boxes where you get full-size items at $23 because you get at least 3. Last month, and I want to say the month before, we actually got 4 of the 6. Not too shabby. All right, leave me a comment and let me know what was your favorite item in my box. Let me know if you would use and enjoy anything or everything in the box, or if you're here just to support me. If so, I appreciate you. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.